Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best outdoor coffee tables that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Keter Corfu Modern All-Weather Coffee Table Outdoor Backyard Patio Garden Furniture, Charcoal. Each bit of this Corfu patio set is manufactured out of sturdy, UV-safe resin, all-weather resistance and highlights an open woven texture which cannot shred. The upscale look of the Rattan furniture with the hardy strength of the Keter's polypropylene pitch development conveys support-free patio seating that sets the scene for a lavish outdoor living. Intended for a long-term utilize, the framing of the contemporary pieces is non-metallic, which implies you never need to stress over rust. The formed, open weave material can endure high summer temperatures and can withstand the UV beams without blurring. You can combine the Corfu coffee table with Corfu loveseat to make an awesome outdoor space. Moving on at number 4, we have the Outdoor Interiors Eucalyptus Coffee Table. The outdoor mission is permitted by giving space-saving, innovative designs utilizing beautiful, reasonable hardwoods alongside a cluster of combined materials. Utilizing excellent hardwoods, this remarkable styles and toughness can make your patio the envy of the area. Eucalyptus is becoming more developing these days, thick hardwoods valued for its durability, strength and weathering attributes to all weather condition. This in vogue coffee table will locate a home immediately on your patio or deck. This beautiful coffee table is created with tough eucalyptus. Performs and looks like teak. Simply kept up with a once-yearly oil treatment, wood is simply kept up with a one-yearly oil treatment. At number 3, we have the Modway Convene Outdoor Patio Wicker Rattan Coffee Table. Accumulate phases of affectability with the outdoor arrangement. Made with an engineered rattan weave and a powder-covered aluminum outline, Convene is an adaptable outdoor accumulation that combines and shifts as per the unconstrained needs existing. Equipped with all-weather fabric pads, leave a positive impact on loved ones while upgrading your patio, poolside repast and backyard in this arrangement of tangible distinction. This portion of the arrangement is an outdoor coffee patio table. At number 2, we have the Meadow Decor Coffee Table Kingston Walnut. This Meadow Decor side Kingston table is a great table with complicated looking over and an exemplary weave design which adds a vintage style to your outdoor stylistic theme. With bended legs that delicately stream towards the floor, the gorgeous table is a beautiful highlight piece to any patio furniture. Flawless as finishing a piece, you can utilize this as an adornment, or for great purposes. Rest your books, magazine, or drink on this side table to assist keep your patio and your deck clean. This Kingston table incorporates a 3-year warranty finish and a 10-year warranty for the casing. And finally at number 1, we have the Grand Patio Steel, weather-resistant outdoor patio coffee table side table, red small round tables. The modern coffee table is stylish and contemporary which will supplement your outdoor living space very well. This outdoor patio table has a style, quality, and capacity keep your outdoor space sorted without aesthetic stylish interest. Convey life to any place while keeping it comfortable and tidy with the round side table. The round patio table will establish a decent first look for your visitor. The metal side table is simple to clean. No compelling reason to stress over this metal coffee table scraping your floor or scratching your colorful hardwood. The 4-foot tops secure your floor and keep the outdoor coffee table stable.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.